Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. We're doing the F-250 rebuild, and today we're doing the cooling system and hopefully get it fired up and be able to move it around and drive it. So just remember, if you like the videos, please subscribe and hit that notification button if you want to be updated for new videos that are coming out. And today we're outside, and I put back together some of the stuff. I think in the last video I showed that I got some of these hoses that were salvaged from the accident back in place, and luckily labeled all of them, and because I did not remember where they went, so I put a little number 2 down there and 2 here. I have one more hose that goes down there for the bypass hose out the front, and I got a S&B intake over here for the battery tray, and now I have the radiators here and going to be getting them installed. So stay tuned and we'll be back in a minute. Well, I got a lot further than I expected before stopping and taking some video, but I started by putting that lower fan shroud in right down there. They come in 2 pieces, and they, let's see if I can, right down in there, there's 2 bolts that put the pieces together. So you kind of just put the first radiator in, the primary radiator right here, and work those bolts in, and then I put in the power steering pump, or I'm sorry, the reservoir after that, and then got the reservoir for the secondary here, and hook that up to the back. The last I did was just this right down the bottom here. The bypass hose goes from right here all the way down to the bottom of the pump right there, and then comes around out the front, connects into the other side. So the bottom hose is there for the secondary as well, and then this one's just sitting in place here. Just tried to get it before I bolted it up there, but then put the secondary radiator in place, which kind of just slides into the first one, and then there's 2 bolts over here that hold it in. I'm sorry, 1 bolt that holds it in. The bottom bolt, I think that's probably on the condenser. So that's about it. It took quite some time to get it this far, just to figure out where everything went. I didn't have, everything was destroyed in the accident, so it was kind of just working way through it. So it took a decent amount of time. So I'm going to put these top mounts on and tighten them down, and then that's about it. From there I should be able to fill it with coolant and get it started.